Hey, my name's Alicia, and I am your guide to the inner child inside. I wanted to share a testimonial of my own, um, or a story. Let's just say a story. So I got up this morning, and I don't know about you, but I often have anxiety about time. As a person um, who's in my life, the concept of time has been very fleeting. I kind of sometimes look that way and 5, 10 minutes pass by or half an hour and I look this way and I don't know where the time has gone. So being a person who doesn't have the best grasp of time, I've always had anxiety about time. And so I was thinking this morning, you know, what about my own inner child? What do I need to address in my own life? So I don't personally remember this time, but I hear stories. A lot of times we don't remember when we were born, but we hear stories about when we were born. Oh, there was a stormy night when you were born. Oh, mom almost gave birth to you in the car. Like there's just things that we hear, stories that we hear in our lives about our birth story. So I was in prayer with God and I ask him to show me what it is I need to know. And he points me back to the direction of my birth. Now, I don't know exactly what happened during my birth, but I do know that I was supposed to be born in June. So there was a lot of, she's not supposed to come yet. It's not time. Tell her to close her legs, my mother's doctor told my mom. So there was a lot of the time not being right. And I really felt so bad for that baby who was being born anyway, but being told by the humans around her that it wasn't time yet. And so what I was able to do was put a picture of Jesus holding me as a baby and telling me that I was just right on time, that I was perfectly on time, that I was born exactly when I was supposed to, when I was meant to be born. And he held me close to his chest, skin to skin, and gave me the comfort that my inner baby has been looking for. And I bet you there won't be any more or very little anxiety around time. If you're interested in connecting to your inner child and figuring out what is it that I'm always anxious about and why could that be, I would love to meet with you in our inner child workshop sessions that I'm going to be holding. If you check out my link, you'll see the different, or swipe to the left, you'll see that there is a link tree and you can go from there. I appreciate you listening to my story. I hope it brought you some joy. And I thank you and have a wonderful day. And as always, may God bless you always.